of the week. So yesterday I was reading a story. It's a magical story. It's a little girl or a young lady called Cinderella. And she had to do all the cooking and the cleaning. It wasn't very fair and she wasn't very happy. But one day there was a party at the palace and a fairy godmother came and turned her into the most beautiful girl wearing a beautiful gown, and she went to the party. So let's make some party food today. It's really fun. So you're going to need to get some things ready. You will need today a rolling pin, a knife for spreading, and a baking tin, just like this one. Let's check for our ingredients. We need some bread, a slice of bread like this. You need some tomato paste, and you need some cheese. If you've got some, a cheese string, you know, those peely ones. And one important thing you need too is some sticks, okay? Those little spiky cocktail sticks. So make sure you've got everything ready and let's get cracking. First, you will need to roll out your bread, squish it down so it's really flat. Flat like a piece of paper, flat as a pancake. Next, spread your bread with the tomato paste. Then, put the cheese string on the edge of the bread. Next you need to roll up your bread with the cheese in the middle, just like this. The cheese at the edge, roll it over. Then get your sticks and spike them in to hold your roll. Maybe one at the one end and one at the other end to hold it. And finally, you're going to put them in the oven under the grill so they go nice and brown and crispy. And maybe get a bit gooey in the middle with your cheese. They are going to be delicious. I just know. And what a great party food to have. Okay, here's some things to think about. In the recipe, there's some things that need to be flat. So, I want you to see what other things you can find in your house that are flat or thin. And you need to put your cheese on the edge. Here's the edge of my table. Here's the edge of my book. Can you go and find the edge of some things? That's two really new words today for you to think about. Flat things, go and find some, and the edge. Let me know how you get on. It's going to be a really great recipe to make. Have fun, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye!